CDW is a global solutions provider. We serve over 250,000 customers across the globe in all segments and all sectors. We've been a partner with Veeam for nearly 10 years, and they're an excellent partner. I'm Aletha Noonan, Senior Vice President of Product and Partner Management. CDW is focused on the customer. We make technology work so our customers can do great things. Veeam is a partner that's very focused on the customer too. In fact, as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant, for many years, we know that we're serving our customers with great technology solutions, particularly with Veeam. In addition to that, Veeam is innovative. They continue to focus on what's relevant, what's important to customers, for example, security and ransomware, and we're delighted to be in partnership with Veeam to serve customers and meet their needs. But our focus on the customer goes beyond serving their specific set of needs. We sell across all solution stacks, and we have the unique position of being able to look at horizontal solutions and vertical solutions and testing them out in different industries, in different architectures, whatever that may be. So for example, we may make a solution for the federal government that has the highest level of standard, and we realize a similar solution would be great for our healthcare customers who also have a level of standards that's regulated by the government. So we have the opportunity to be customer-centric, and then we have the opportunity to learn from the things that we do and apply them across the globe. We have more than 5,000 customer-facing technical resources and more than 3,000 customer-facing sellers. Our sellers are typically focused on a set of customers that are in the same vertical or in the same geography, and that gives us the ability to be customer-centric, but it also gives us the ability to use the scale that we have to use those lessons to serve customers and solve their problems.